Do you get any of these symptoms? Bloating within 30 minutes of eating, feeling full quickly, burping or gas after meals, a heavy stuck feeling, heartburn or reflux, undigested food in your stool, constipation, nausea after taking supplements, especially iron or zinc? Or do you have low energy, fatigue, hair thinning, weak nails, frequent colds or infections, bloating that gets worse around ovulation or PMS? Here's the twist. All these symptoms can be linked to dehydration. Here's why. The stomach needs enough water to produce adequate hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid isn't just for digestion. It sterilizes food, breaks down protein, activates digestive enzymes, and triggers bile and pancreatic enzymes. So when you are dehydrated, your body goes into conserve mode, which means it reduces hydrochloric acid production because making acid requires water. Digestion slows down so protein doesn't break down properly and food sits in the stomach for longer periods. This then in turn leads to fermentation, gas, bloating, which causes pressure to push upwards, which in turn relaxes the valve above the stomach, causing acid to move upward, which then gives the feeling of having too much acid, but it's actually acid in the wrong place. This also causes a drop in nutrient absorption. Low hydrochloric acid reduces absorption of B12, iron, zinc, magnesium, which explains fatigue, low mood, weak nails, hair shedding, and immunity changes. So if you get the feeling of having too much acid and reach for an antacid, it can actually make your situation worse. Antacids neutralize stomach acid, reduce hydrochloric acid further, slow down digestion, increase fermentation and gas, reduce nutrient absorption, and can increase the risk of infections because acid protects us against microbes. This is why long-term antacid use is linked to B12 deficiency, iron deficiency, magnesium deficiency, and higher risk of gut infections. So the burning feeling isn't always excess acid, it's often weak acid splashing upwards because digestion is too slow. Here's a quick test that you can do at home. If warm water before meals reduces your bloating, heaviness or reflux, your digestion likely needs hydration plus hydrochloric acid support. Here's some natural remedies that you can do. Sip warm lemon water 20 to 30 minutes before meals. This hydrates and gently stimulates the digestive juices. Avoid drinking large amounts during meals as too much liquid can dilute the acid temporarily. Eat mindfully. This is very underrated. Stress reduces stomach acid by 30 to 50%, so sit down, slow down and breathe. Say a little prayer. This naturally shifts your nervous system into a calmer state, which equals better digestion. Chew your food thoroughly as chewing breaks food down and signals the stomach to release more hydrochloric acid. Eat without distractions as rushed eating can lower the stomach acid and increase bloating. Try grating some fresh ginger and adding lime in warm water. Ginger increases gastric motility and enhances digestive secretions, whilst lime improves digestive enzyme activity. Add fermented foods slowly, such as yogurt, which helps to restore gut balance. Ensure your food are rich in minerals, as minerals are cofactors in acid production. The stomach uses zinc for hydrochloric acid production, sodium, chloride, and magnesium. Space your meals. Eat when you are hungry, not because it's time to eat. Allow 3 to 4 hours between each meal.